Every year, 3,500 people die from distracted driving. That's 9 people a day. People like your wife, your child, your best friend.
And 1,000 more are injured by distracted driving every single day.
It's simple. Distracted driving is anything that takes your attention away from operating a vehicle safely.
There are many types of distracted driving, but today, texting, social media,
and selfie taking are the leading cause for distracted drivers' injuries and deaths. Selfie taking.
Did you know taking your eyes off the road for 5 seconds to read a text message is like driving the length of a football field with your eyes closed?
Distracted driving is a choice. What will you choose?
I took the pledge to end distracted driving.
I took the pledge to end distracted driving.
I took the pledge to put my phone down and focus on the drive.
So send those texts and check those likes when you get there, because each one of those 9 dead were killed by someone like your brother, your cousin, or you.